Live as if you were to die tomorrow and learn as if you were to live forever. This is famous quotation by Mohandas Karamchandra Gandhi, popularly known as Bapu. Hello everyone, this is Simran. Today on 2nd October, on account of Bapu's birthday, we all gathered here to pay homage to our father of nation. This day is also celebrated as World International Non-Violence Day because Bapu always followed the path of ahimsa. Mahatma Gandhi was born in small town of Gujarat in Porbandar, but he performed well deeds throughout his whole life. He said freedom is not worth having. He said freedom is not worth having if it does not include the freedom to make mistakes. He was a lawyer by profession. He never accepted British culture and rule. He struggled a lot and played a most important role for making India free from British rule. In 1914, when he returned India after a great victory, he saw injustice from Englishmen on Indian community and he started a revolt against it. His way of struggle was very different. Being even a very intelligent person, he used to live a very simple life and whole world is fond of his simple life. He led many movements against Englishmen in his life. In 1920, non-cooperation movement, in 1930, civil disobedience movement, and in 1942, Quiet India movement were some of the most effective movements under leadership of Bapu. Under his leadership, finally India got freedom on 15th August 1947. He has set an ideal example of patriotism, sacrifice, non-violence and simplicity. But this great Mahatma's death was not peaceful. On 30 January 1948, he was shot by Nathuram Godse in Delhi. Though his body is not alive, but his photo is available in every pocket. And you can't hate him, because you love money. So let us contribute towards the growth and development of country to take this legacy forward. So Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year to pay homage and tribute to remember his great works for the country's independence. It is celebrated at Rajghat, New Delhi, with lots of preparation like flowerings, playing prayers and playing his favorite song Raghupati Raghav Rajaram. At last, I want to say, he lit the freedom flame. Gandhi was his name. No violence and no gun, but got the job well done. Tolerance and the power, he offered like a shard. He fought till the finish, and fulfilled countryman wish. He was undying inspiration, being the father of our nation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, thank you.